Thanks to a render disseminated today by super leaker Evan Glass, we now have a fresh look at the Moto E5 Play, which is headed to Verizon Wireless. Prepaid carrier Cricket Wireless will also offer the same handset under the Moto E5 Cruise name. Last month, we showed you a render of the Moto E5, which is the first Motorola handset to feature a rear-facing fingerprint scanner since 2011's Motorola A-Trix. The scanner will be located under the rear camera, and will contain an image of the iconic Motorola Batwings logo. The Moto E5 Play, the first Play variant for the Moto E budget line, will apparently have its biometric reader in the same place as the Moto E5. We come to that conclusion after studying the render, which fails to show the scanner in the front of the phone. Besides the new placement of the fingerprint scanner, another big change for 2018 revolves around the branding of the Moto lineup. Instead of seeing the Moto name on the front, the device says Motorola. Last year, we told you that Lenovo was going to bring back the Motorola name. The image also reveals that the E5 Play, like the E5, will be equipped with a front-facing LED flash for the selfie snapper. Based on the date seen on the phone screen, we expect the Moto E5 Play to be unveiled on April 3rd. If you look close enough, you'll see that the day of the week on the screen says Tuesday. Well, as it turns out, April 3rd this year falls on a Tuesday. Coincidence? We think not. If you have an interest in what will most likely be a budget handset full of value, circle the date on your calendar. Source at F Leaks via Phone Arena.